What's up? Hey, hello everyone. Wow, so today is a very exciting day here on the East Coast because today we are going skydiving. Yay! That is so crazy to even say. The nerves have sort of died down. I was very nervous the week leading up to this week. We booked the tickets about a month ago, and then this past week it's been like, oh, it's actually happening. There's no backing out now. We are going to jump out of a plane today. Currently, I am waiting for my friends to get to my house and then we're gonna drive over. The place is about an hour away, so a sort of bop of a drive, but it'll be fun, a little road trip. Yo, so here we have Amelia and Jordan.
This is not fair. I don't have sunglasses to hide my face.
Rachel's the one who suggested this.
Yeah.
She's the least excited.
Yo, so we just made it to the place. It's like 10:30 right now, so we made some solid time. We are going to be jumping from 11,000 feet. Okay, so we just did our registration. We are waiting, I guess, now. Then they're going to stick the harnesses on us and then we're gonna be up in the air. I don't know, not really that nervous right now. I don't know when it's gonna hit, but we're like watching people come down and fly over, so yeah, so they're not nervous. It's gonna be fun. We're training for the amazing race, basically. We went in the porta potties, that was really gross. Now we're trying to get a picture in front of the sign.
Hey, what's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel, what are you doing here today?
We are skydiving.
Woo!
I'm nervous.
Jumping out of that plane?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, first time?
Yes, first time.
Came here by yourself?
With two friends.
Hey friends.
Hey, Jordan.
Hey.
Hey.
So, excited, scared?
I'm very nervous.
Not scared?
Good hands, right? With you. Scary.
Hope so. No high five.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. do again?
Maybe.
You like it?
It was really scary.
You love it?
Next time it won't be scary.
Yeah,
Great.
congratulations.
Thank you so
Let's go
much.
skydive. Baltimore did awesome.
Woo! So we just finished the skydive. My legs are still like nummy, shaky kind of. It sort of hurts.
I can't hear anything, but it was a lot of fun.
It was awesome. I definitely want to go again.
Both of them want to go again. I'm a maybe. What was the best part for you two?
Parachuting.
The first part, the free fall.
Yeah, I feel like the free fall right after like the 2 seconds of immediate jumping out of the plane, then it's good. When you first jump out, I was like, this is so scary because it's so much wind.
Just plopped out.
You like when you jump out, like the wind takes you, then like you
Yeah.
fly a little bit before you start going down.
Inertia.
Were you both nervous?
A little bit.
I
Once
feel
we
like-
got like in the air, I started getting a little nervous.
Yeah, I feel like when we were on the tarmac going up into the air and then seeing the ground get smaller, and then the dude like opened the door to jump out like early before it even was time. So I was like, wow, is it already time to jump out? So then I was really nervous, but then he closed it and then I was fine. And then he opened it again and then it was time.
Yeah. Seeing you guys like just fall out, I was like, oh shit, this
That
is
was
real.
scary. Just watching in the video, like you're there and then I wasn't.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah, I think like after you went, I was like, okay, we can't turn back now. Like it's the point of no return. Like either you go out or you waste your money and you fly back
Yeah.
down with the people.
Yeah, the parachute, it opened, so like that was the only worry, I guess.
No, my guy, when the parachute opened, he was like, oh my God, it opened. Like, thank God it opened. I was like, thank freaking God it opened. I'm not
feel
trying
like
to
He
die.
knew you were nervous and he was messing
Yeah.
with you.
Because he kept,
Definitely
yeah,
was.
he kept on saying like, oh, I'm nervous. I'm
He's
like,
the
you
one
can't
that
be
took the
nervous.
Old lady, right?
Yeah, so right before us, an 88-year-old lady went. So if she can do it, you all can do it, we can do it. You would do it again. Overall experience.
10 out of 10.
It was so much fun.
Amazing.
I think it's something you have to do, right?
It was
Once
so
in your life at
peaceful up
least.
there.
Yeah.
You have to.
During the free fall, it's like, wow, we're unstoppable and can do anything. Yeah, the parachute was cool, better than parasailing, I feel like. But then he started to spin it, and I was like, oh, no, nay, not today. The spinning was scary.
Oh, he made me help with it. He's like, oh, pull down all the way on the left. And if we pull down hard enough, we spin really fast. I was
Yeah, I know. I was holding him like this, and then he's like, pull it a little bit. So I did, and he's like, no, go the whole way. So we yanked it down, and then we started spinning, and I was like, shit, we're too close to the ground.
Okay, but you would do it again?
100%.
I think once in a lifetime, you've got to do
At
it
least.
once. Yeah. Okay, driving home. Yay!